If you want to add fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy A series devices, then we are going to show you how you can do it. First, you just need to go to the settings. Then after that, you just need to go to biometrics or security, or you can go to the lock screen where you will find the screen lock type. You can tap on it. Now confirm the pin if you have set for your lock screen, so give the pin that you have set for your lock screen. Now it has just give the access to access this locks setup screen, where we can set up different type of locks, where at the last in the biometric section we will find fingerprints. We just need to tap on this fingerprint, and here we can just set up or register our fingerprint on our screen. So actually Samsung Galaxy A series devices does support in-display fingerprints, so there is it is, you can find it. So you just need to place your finger perfectly, just like this. Make sure that you cover all this inter box of fingerprint, so with your finger, and you just need to give your fingerprint in different angle, from different angle. Just move your finger a little, just like this. And that's how you have to cover all the sensor that you have. Now make sure that you just cover every single side of your fingerprint and make this 100%, just like this. Press a little longer. They ask for to press a little longer, so you have to place your finger for a little longer, and then again, just like this. It will give you sometimes some errors if your hand is sweaty or you have dust on your fingerprint, then it may show you some error. Now you have find that fingerprint is added. Now you can simply tap on done to run this process, or you can tap on this add button to add new fingerprint if you want to add another hand finger on your device. So that's how you can just simply add the fingerprints here, just like this. You can just place it and you can just use your fingerprint on your device. So that's how you can just add fingerprints on Samsung Galaxy A series devices. It is pretty simple. Make sure that your hand is clean and sweat free, so you can get a perfect fingerprint on your display. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.